It's a battery operated megaphone. But we can see that something is missing in here and here. It should have something like this in here. And okay, now it needs 4 battery for operating. That means totally 6 volt. I inject 6 volt from my power supply, negative to the spring and positive directly. Uh, It makes some noise. It has some. It is the buttons of it. Volume button, power on, makes a noise. It can power on. It can play alarm. But here is 2 buttons, record and play. Record, hello, 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 check, check. Record done, play. Only some static sound. Okay. And it should amplify my knocking sound, but it does nothing. So we have to do something with it. I have to install the missing parts of it. I have this spring. Okay, I soldered this 2 piece with this metal strip, and our battery terminal is okay now. Then we need to fix our microphone wire. Microphone is connected. Now we can check it that positive, negative, negative, and positive. On. Hello, check, check. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 check. Hello. Hello, hello, check, check. Hello, hello, microphone testing. Hello, hello, check, check. Hello, hello, microphone testing. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Yes, our microphone part is working. So now we have to see that can it record request. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, recording. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, recording. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Yes, the main problem is solved. But we have to do some more. We have to make it rechargeable. For that, need some wire. And I'm going to install a switch, on-off switch, in between the BMS and the amplifier, because when I store it for a long time, the booster circuit can drain the battery. Oh, I made a mistake. Voltage out positive. Before this thing, I have to set the output voltage of the booster, and the switch will be in between these 2 things. Nice. Output voltage is 12 volt. It's not for us. We need 6 volt only. 6 volt. So this is our output. Positive is in here, and negative in here. So output is connected. Turn it on. Yes. Hello, check, check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, hello. Hello, microphone testing. Hello. Okay. Everything is connected, and now we need to secure them. You can secure them with heat shrink tube. Shrink it with heat shrink tube. Booster circuit is secure now, and now we need to secure our charger module. We have to secure these two with heat shrink tube. It has two indicator LED, and I'm going to cut the heat shrink tube so we can see the battery condition. Nice. Yes, it works. Now it's time to wrap everything inside the shell. Hello, hello. Yes, it works. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, check, check. Hello, 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 microphone testing. Hello. Recording check, recording check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Recording check, recording check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So our megaphone is working now, and it's rechargeable. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.